What's up, guys? I see a lot of videos of the Coffman exhaust on either the Yamaha R1s, the 250s, the 300s. I like them. I like the way they sound on the R1s. Me personally, I got a 2015 zx10r 30th anniversary. I've not seen any videos of the Coffman slip-on the ZX10 besides one, and he still had the baffle in it. Sounded pretty good. But I see a lot of them with the 636 or the Ninja 300, which, you know, sounds alright, but haven't seen one with a liter bike. I called Pam Coffman myself, told her exactly what was going on, told her I was interested in it, I wanted to give it a shot. So I paid $200 for the slip-on. Got the gold tip. They have multiple color tips. I kind of just unpackaged this. She actually threw in a free t-shirt for me. I appreciate that. I do circuit track racing, so hopefully this is not going to drag on me or anything. It's kind of like my first video, so I apologize in advance for if there's any wind or anything, or if you can't hear me real good. But like I said, this right here was my stock. That's the cat for it right there. This thing weighs a shit ton. A lot. Now, I originally had this when I got it. I put a Jardine GP slip-on, which is that black little pipe you see right there. These cables are for the servo valve, which that servo valve, all that does is really regulate your exhaust sound. It's for emissions. It doesn't really hurt anything. I already took the cat off. The bike runs fine. It's just super loud right now because there's no exhaust whatsoever. But I haven't rode it because I'm not going to run an open header. To really get to it, it definitely frees up a lot of space. I don't know if most of you know, but the new ZX10s are coming with titanium headers and everything. They're starting to really step their game up. Are these full race grade titanium headers? No. But if you read into it, they are race grade spec headers. So I guess what we're gonna do is, you know, put this on, see what it sounds like, get a video out there for the Coffman's slip-on, go from there, see how it sounds, so a lot of other people can get a perspective on what type of exhaust they want to go for. Like I said, it sounds mean on the Yamaha R1. It sounds phenomenal. So I'm gonna see what it sounds like on this one. So just give me a few here and I'll get it on. We'll go from there. Alright, so finally got it on. Tell you what, that baffle, you've seen other videos on how to take it out. Yeah, use needle nose, this and that. It's a pain in the ass. It really is. It took me about 45 minutes. I don't know. So I got it installed. Looks good. Just like I was saying, the baffle itself is a pain in the ass. It does look good. I was a little leery after I got it on about how close it was to the tire. It looks different in person. You know, I was worried about maybe water getting on it, you know, spitting on the tire, or spitting, you know, type of oil or something on there. But just to let you know, I already started it up, spoiled myself, you know. It does sound good. It does. It really does, especially without the baffle. I was very surprised. Here's the baffle right here. Just slides in. It's held on by this clamp. So, yeah. Anyways, I guess we'll just start it up. I'll let you guys hear it. If I get enough, you know, views, likes, you know, and whatnot, I'll maybe do a flyby video of it. I think it sounds really good. Definitely sounds way better in person. So, I'll start it up for you guys. So that being said, like I said, she sent me a t-shirt, which I really appreciate. She sent me a bunch of stickers. Let's see, she even sent me this. You know, it says, it's a little blurry because of my phone, but like I said, I do circuit and track. Right here it says, good luck with your racing. Send us a good race shot. So that I will do for her. So that being said, she sent me these. I'm a nice, kind of like it. So, more or less with that being said, bike looks good. I love this bike. I love it. I don't know where I'm gonna put this sticker. I might put it on the swing arm or something. I don't know where I'm gonna put it, to be honest. But I definitely approve Coffman's slip-on exhaust tips for the zx10rs. Definitely 100% approve of them. Like I said, if you guys got any questions or anything, hit me up. You know, if I get enough likes, viewers, you know, views in general, I'll do a flyby, you know, of it, because like I said, there's not many videos out there with a full video like this. Like I said, it's my first time. Sorry if it took forever, you know, if the quality sucks, you know, but like I said, went from probably about 20 pounds with the cat and that to throwing I think it's a 2.1 pound exhaust. So, sounds good. I mean, like I said, like, subscribe, go from there. And if you got any questions, let me know. Alright guys, later.